Welcome to Scotland, specifically Loch Lomond at the moment. We're on the way to Fort William and we're climbing Ben Nevis tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Hope you're going to enjoy the ride as much as we do. See me suffering, see everybody else suffering. But yeah, for now, how stunning is this place? Look at that. Let's get on the road now. So we've been to the accommodation in Fort William as you saw, but we've got some time, some daylight left, so we've come to the Steel Waterfall and yeah, hoping to explore a little tiny hike that way. Why not? We're here, may as well see it. Check this out though. Welcome to the Steel Falls. Absolutely tremendous. And here we have the lesser spotted Mr. Westwood. Coming down to meet us. Good morning, it is 6:30 AM and what a morning it is. Just have a look out the window. Absolutely glorious day to climb Ben Nevis. This will be the first attempt. Hopefully we get up there to complete the 3 peaks and to complete challenge 1 of Challenge Britain. Yeah, a little bit nervous because obviously this is the biggest mountain in Britain, about 200 to 300 meters higher than Snowdon and Scafell, and just gonna take a time, enjoy it, and take you along for the ride as much as possible. See you there. Here we are at Glen Nevis campsite with everybody.
Morning all.
Morning.
And Basically, we're going up there. Woo!
Go smile. Won't open in a minute.
Plateau as we can see the summit in the sun. You can see behind me with a bit of a gentle path, which is nice. Gorgeous views, absolutely gorgeous. It's hard work, but we're getting there. We're over halfway, and yeah. With the sun, as you can see, it's quite bright, it's quite warm, so sweating a little bit. But no, all good. We'll carry on. Nobody's expected it to be this warm today. It's absolutely glorious, but it's making it slightly hard work. We'll get there, we'll get there. But the views are magnificent.
Well done.
Well done, pal. Any final words, David? Hello. What?
Made it. Look at this.
Hello, mate.
What's your worry?
Come here, mate. It's time to go back down. David got ahead of us. We've only gone and made it back. Wow. Unbelievable day. Hard, but so worth it. For now I'm signing off, but I will see you tomorrow. Bye. It is the day after Nevis. We're a little bit stiff today in the leg department. Take that how you want. But it has been absolutely glorious here in Scotland, in the Scottish Highlands. And yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video and you will subscribe, hit that bell, all the things. Just hang on. What are you doing there, Chloe?
Just trying to stretch it out. The pain it hurts.
I'm glad it's not just me. Oh yeah, Action Man would be okay. But for now, thank you very much from the glorious Highlands. We will see you in the next one.